Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. Special Judge Fast Track Court Dimapur v. Nika in an order has convicted and sentenced Full Babu Ray to undergo rigorous imprisonment of 15 years and pay a fine of 30,000 rupees for raping a 12-year-old minor child. Investigated by S.I. Yansala, the case was conducted by Special Public Prosecutor Imli Mungla. A press note issued by the Special Public Prosecutor said the accused was convicted under Section 4 and 12 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act 2012. While pronouncing the judgment yesterday, the special judge observed that the rapist not only violated the child's integrity but degraded the very soul of the helpless child. A compensation of 3 lakh rupees was also recommended to be given to the victim under the Victim Compensation Fund. Nagaland Police in a clarification said that misinformation and misinterpretation of events are circulating in social media and newspapers regarding seizure of gold biscuits. The clarification said that police personnel from narcotics cell seized gold biscuits on 2 separate incidents. Police said that in one of the incidents on 10 September 2021, 13 police personnel from narcotic PS misappropriated 10 gold bars without following due procedures, for which a criminal case has been registered against the erring personnel. Further, all the 13 personnel have been placed under suspension and a disciplinary inquiry constituted for the misconduct. Police said a second seizure was made on 3rd October where 290 gold bars weighing approximately 48.14 kg was detected and recovered by another team of narcotic cell at narcotic checkpoint Kozama. Police said the seizures made in both criminal cases are still intact in police custody and there is no question of disappearance or missing of the seized gold. It said both cases are under investigation and the matter is sub judice. The District Health Society Committee Kohima yesterday held a review meeting on the performance and status of health units in the district. In a meeting held at DC's conference hall, Chief Medical Officer Kohima, Dr. Vezakhulu Teo, gave a status report on health center, laboratory and patient services, immunization and COVID-19 vaccination status. District DP Officer Dr. Akaba Jamir gave an update on the status of tuberculosis infection. He also highlighted the facilities available under National Strategic Plan for Tuberculosis Elimination, including free diagnosis, free drugs and free treatment. DPO DAPCU Sendi Mungla Tsudir reported on HIV/AIDS status in Nagaland and the facilities available in the state. The first ever Nagaland Guitar Festival was held in the outskirts of Mugukchung town yesterday. Deputy Commissioner Mugukchung, Lima Wapung Jamir, in his speech as special guest said, the Nagaland government declaring music as an industry was one of a kind with no parallel in the country. He advised musicians and artists to take advantage of the government's policy. TAFMA Project Director Dr. Hovital Soto, speaking at a program, declared that the Nagaland Guitar Festival will be an annual affair. Imdi Wapang Imchen and Mayang Lungkuma were adjudged first and second place winners of the main event of the day in the 6-string guitar contest. The event was organized by Muguchung Events Management in partnership with Task Force for Music and Arts TAFMA and supported by Naga Musicians Collective. And as India achieved a milestone of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the people, doctors, nurses and others who make this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners who are yet to fully get vaccinated to get vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.